Hey guys, I am back with another video. This one is all about the things that I would recommend for buying a 2 to 3 year old. I thought it was a great time of the year to do this kind of video. And if you prefer toys that have some sort of educational value or promote imaginary play or active play, then this is the video for you. So the first item I want to talk about is a balance bike. Now we got gifted one for Emmanuel's first birthday and it was the Kinderfeet's trike. That one is a really good beginner one if your child doesn't already have a balance bike, because it can go from a trike to a 2-wheel balance bike instead. So that is really awesome. Emmanuel absolutely loved his, but he recently grew out of it. Well, not recently, a good few months ago. So we upgraded him to this cruisy balance bike, which he really loves. I really like it because it's really light, so it's easy to carry around. It's lighter than the Kinderfeet's one. It also adjusts to quite a high height as well, so it should last a while, and it's just a really good quality. So this has been hands down one of his favorite things to play with, and it definitely promotes active play. He loves riding around. We've even let him ride to the local park or ride to a friend's house, and he absolutely loves it. So I would highly recommend getting one if your child doesn't already have one. The next thing I want to mention is a Love Every play kit. Now, if you haven't heard of Love Every, they are a subscription play kit service. So they have play kit boxes that go from 0 years old up to 4 years old, and they've recently released their 3-year-old play kits in Australia, which is really exciting. And they just have these amazing educational based toys in each box. You can tell that they're very good quality as well. I selected the Free Spirit play kit for Emmanuel and he absolutely loves it. He loves playing with the puzzle. He loves his camper van, and it's actually got keys that you can open the door with as well. And yeah, he basically loves everything in the kit. And I love that the Love Every play kits just take the guesswork out of choosing what toys to get for your child. You just sign up for the subscription and you get a play kit every 2 to 3 months. And those toys are fit for your child's age, and they generate educational play, and they have multiple ways of playing with the toys as well. And it's a great option if you're stuck with ideas. You can also cancel whenever you like, so there's no commitment as well. Or you can just keep receiving the boxes every couple of months and not worry about getting any other toys for your child. Now, the next thing that Emmanuel has really enjoyed playing with this year is his Duplo. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend Lego yet at the age of 2. I feel like that can be a bit harder for a child of that age. But Duplo is slightly bigger, and we've really found that Emmanuel's really enjoyed playing with that this year. He's actually had his Duplo set since he was 1, and it's been sitting in a tub, but he's not actually started playing with it until he turned 2. So he loves making different things out of them, and you can also get different attachments, so you can make more complicated things like vehicles and things like that. Also, hot tip, if you want, there's a lot of Duplo sets on Facebook Marketplace if you want to get them secondhand. But yeah, it's just one of those great toys that can keep them entertained for quite a while. Another toy that can keep your child entertained for a while is Play-Doh. So if you don't already have Play-Doh, I definitely recommend getting that and a bunch of different cutters. You can also get like different Play-Doh sets where they can make different things, but I find that just the Play-Doh itself and some cutters is really enough, and a couple of rolling pins or whatever. That can keep them entertained for a while as well. My son has also really enjoyed playing with vehicles that come with a drill that you can take apart and put back together. So the one that we have is this one, which is the John Deere tractor, and it comes with a drill, and you can basically just drill the wheels out and put them back in. It's very cool. And you can get a multitude of different vehicles across different brands that are similar. And another toy that I definitely recommend is a play kitchen. And I have 2 kids. One is 1 year old and one is almost 3 now. And even my 1-year-old really loves playing with the kitchen. He loves just opening up the oven, closing the oven, grabbing a pot, putting the pot back on the shelf, taking the pot off the shelf. Like, that keeps him entertained for ages. As with my almost 3-year-old, he loves playing in the kitchen. He loves pretending to cook. I would definitely recommend getting some pots and pans with it if it doesn't come with pots and pans, and definitely get some pretend food as well. You can get a bunch of soft felt food from IKEA for really cheap, which is really good because if they throw this, it doesn't make like a really loud noise. Or you can get those ones where you can chop in half and they're wooden, but they're really loud if they start throwing them around. Absolutely a play kitchen. Our kids both play with it every single day. Now, going with the same theme of pretend play, I would also recommend other toys that encourage pretend play, especially if it's got to do with conquering their fears. So for example, if your child is really scared of getting their hair cut, then you can go and get a haircut set and role play that at home, get them to just be more comfortable with that, and make it into a fun thing, and that could help them not be so scared of getting a haircut. Or if they're scared of going to the doctor, you can get a pretend medical doctor's play kit. Kids this age at 2 years old, they're really starting to have fun with imaginative play. And if you can use it to conquer a fear, then that's even better. Next up, I want to talk about a water table. Water tables are really great. You can just leave them outside and kids just love playing with water. And you can make it more fun by giving them different things to scoop the water out. You can add bubbles to the water. You can add food dye to the water. You can do so many things to just enhance that play and make each experience different. But really, they just love playing with water, and it can really entertain them for quite a while. Now, also at this age, I find that it's helpful to have some sort of table and chair set, because they may be sitting down to color in or sitting down to play with their Play-Doh. There's just more things that they can do while they're sitting down at a table. So I definitely recommend the one that I have. You can use it in different ways. You can flip the chairs over, you can flip the table over. I do have a toddler room tour video up on my channel, so I'll definitely link that up here somewhere and down in the description if you want to check out what else is in our room. But definitely some sort of table and chair set is really great for this age. Now, I want to talk about search and find books. This is the age where I discovered that Emmanuel loves a search and find book. Now, I think that at 2 years old, Where's Wally is a bit too advanced because the pictures are really, really small. But at the library, I came across this book that Emmanuel just loved so much I had to keep renewing. I've actually bought this as a gift for a friend, but I can show you in this video. It's called Find My Favorite Things, and it's just really age appropriate for 2 years old. And there's so many different things you can find. Once you've found everything, you can go to the back and there's other secret things you can find within the pages. So this is an awesome one to have. Yeah, any search and find books can really keep your child entertained for a while. And the last thing I want to mention is so simple, but it's outdoor chalk. If you don't already have outdoor chalk, definitely grab a set for yourself, because this is something that it's so easy to just get them out of the house in your backyard. They can draw, or you can even draw circles or whatever for them to hop across or walk on a line, that sort of thing. It's just so simple, but it's something that gets them out of the house and keeps them entertained. It's definitely one of those things that it's good to pull out when you're just stuck for ideas. Your child's bored playing inside and they just need to get out. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I will link items down below or anything that's similar. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, because I do post a lot on my stories there. Please thumbs up this video and leave a comment down below if you have any other ideas that are great for 2 to 3 year olds as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!